Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. Today we're going to show you the Tusk Explorer interior cargo kit for the Polaris XP4. We know that when customers buy any side-by-side, typically one of the first things that they want to do is they want to add some additional cargo capacity. And the Explorer kit was built to help you maximize cargo on the inside of your cab to keep your gear organized, to keep it convenient, easy to get to, and also keep it protected while you're out there having a good time. And one of the common questions that we get a lot when people are shopping online for cargo is, hey, will these items all work together? And that's the beauty of these cargo kits, because we have this for the interior. We have several exterior cargo kits as well. We have gone through and made sure that all the items that we're going to talk about, they all work together. And that goes for the exterior cargo kits that we also have available. Now with this kit, the Explorer interior, it's going to come with 4 cargo bags inside your cab, plus the seat cargo racks, which is one of our favorite accessories. And I'm just going to go through and talk about what we use these bags for on our rides, what customers are saying about these, and really just help you decide if this cargo kit is going to be best for you and if you want to buy it all together, or if you want, you can buy all the parts individually as well. So let's get started. So the first item we have are the Tusk upper door bags, and this kit's going to come with one for both the driver's side and the passenger side. They're easy to install, they're built really well, they're made from a 1680 denier nylon with YKK zippers. But each one of these bags is going to have a large storage compartment that has internal organization pouches to keep your gear organized. But it's really just the perfect place for if you want to have some snacks close by, if you want to have a drink, put your wallet inside here, keys, smaller items like that again you want quick, easy access to. It's ideal. It is fleece lined on the inside to help protect your items while they're in there. And another nice feature about these is the pad that also will be on there. Trust me, this is something that you don't realize how nice it is to have until you drive in a side-by-side that doesn't have it. But this big knee pad here just gives you all-day comfort so your knee's not hitting your door. So again, you're gonna have one for the driver's side and the passenger side. So next item we have is the overhead storage bag. Now this mounts right above the head of the driver and the passenger. It's got 2 EVA molded pockets, so one for the driver, one for the passenger, and same thing. It's just gonna give you quick, easy access to items that you want often on your ride. Now this mounts super sleek right between the roll cage, very easy to mount with the 4 Velcro straps. It does have aluminum bars on the back side, so even if you have this loaded up with gear, it's not gonna sag. But what's nice about these pockets is that they have designated compartments. You have YKK zippers to open that up. And with it open, you can see it. There's a spot for your cell phone, a pair of sunglasses, a wallet, a pair of goggles you can put inside here. Many of these pockets are fleece lined to help protect those items. You also have a bungee cord inside here to cinch down additional gear. And the lid has a nice large mesh pocket inside there with the key clip as well. So just like with the door bags, this overhead storage bag gives you quick, easy access, keeps your gear organized, and keeps it protected. Now the next item we have is the cab pack. Now in the 4-seat model, this mounts right between the rear passenger seats. Now if you're not using the seat cargo racks, which we're going to get to next, and you do have passengers inside here, this bag is perfect because it gives the rear passengers somewhere to put their smaller items that they want quick access to as well. You've got the large main compartment, which is big enough for a small jacket, pair of goggles, drinks, snacks, food, things like that. You've got a small zipper pocket right here in the front. And then for the quickest, easiest access to anything, you have this little pouch right here with the drawstring as well. Great construction, YKK zippers. But if you're using the seat cargo racks, and again, you're just trying to maximize storage capacity, it's just gonna give you that much storage inside your cab. All right, last item that we're gonna show you is one of, if not our favorite accessories when it comes to cargo space inside a 4-seat model. It's the seat cargo racks. And when you buy this kit, you'll get one for the passenger side as well as the driver's side. And what's so great about these is how much space they give you. They convert the entire back seats into a level platform to put as much gear inside here as you want to. We've had up to a 50-liter cooler on these racks, and we still had plenty of space left over. So if you're getting into, say, multi-day rides or overlanding, and you really need to take as much gear with you, these racks are phenomenal. And what's awesome about this setup is how easy they are to install. Because if you don't always have passengers with you in the back and you want to have these racks installed to get that storage, there you go. But maybe you're going to go on a ride where you are going to have passengers. Well, the way these installs, they just use an OEM seat base. So to remove or put these in, it's the same way you would just a regular seat. And if you've done that before, it's just a matter of seconds. So it's very easy to swap the two back and forth. Now there's lots of cutouts on these racks to easily get your gear all tied down and secure. Like I said, it's whether it's your dry bags, your camping gear, that cooler, everything fits inside here so well. What's also nice too is that, if you do have this loaded up pretty good, it keeps that weight low and central. inside the UTV versus up high if you had it on the back. And if you have a cooler inside here, it's even easier to access than if you had it in the bed of your UTV. So again, with these, if you're trying to maximize storage capacity inside your cab, seat cargo racks, best way to do it. All right, so thanks for watching this video on the Explorer interior cargo kit for the Polaris XP4. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we did this kit, put it all together so you had no doubt that everything will work together and just to make it easy to get all the best cargo solutions in one-stop shop. But you don't have to buy the whole kit. If you like some of the items that you saw today but don't need everything, it's perfectly fine. You can buy all the pieces that we just showed you individually. Now, if you want to get the exterior of your side-by-side outfitted for cargo, like I mentioned, we have great cargo kits available for that, whether you're just looking for a short day trip or if you're doing multi-day overlanding rides. We have different specific kits that are customized depending on you and the type of riding that you're going to be doing. But if you have questions or comments, leave those down below. We'll make sure to get those answered. To grab all the parts that we just talked about and to see all the different kits available, just click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And anytime you're shopping for your side-by-side, make sure to enter the year, make, and model, and that will ensure that you do get the proper fitment. We ship for free over 75 bucks, and as always, to stay up to date on videos like this and the latest and greatest products from Tusk and other brands for your side-by-side, get subscribed and hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.